Hi Fatima.
Hi.
Thank you for coming back.
And nice to come
Early
back.
as usual.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited always to
I
come.
know, I can see. Harriet,
Hi.
thank you for coming. Okay, so we talked about the power lips. I introduced the power lips last time, right?
Yes.
And we wanted it to, the aim of it is to have a step-by-step process on how you're going to achieve your outcome.
Yeah.
So now you're going to come up with, I'm going to give you the activity to do. You're going to think of your main outcome, which is, I believe, coaching.
Yes.
To start
As a certified coach.
certified coach. Okay. So now you're going to come up for me with steps, 5 steps, which are your 5 leaps. Those are the power leaps on how to achieve the coaching. So I'll just give how to finally come to the outcome of coaching, of being a certified coach. So I'll give you some minutes to come up with those power leaps. Let me know when you're ready. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Want to share them?
Okay, so my outcome is to be a certified coach, African Client certified coach. So my first power leap is to complete the 1 to 5 weeks program.
Okay.
And my second power leap is to start my 5 videos and complete my videos. That's my third power leap. And upload the videos to finish. And my last one is to finish the CTF program that they offered. That we can do.
Oh, okay, that's good. So everything is in line with the coaching program, right? Okay. So how do you feel? How do you think you're going to do these? How are you going to commit to doing it?
I think already having the program is starting as a coach. It's because it's giving me the way of how to do it. It's encouraging. So and I think I just need to be committed.
Yeah.
Committed to every step that I am saying. Like I have to give myself a deadline. I've given myself a deadline on when to finish the 5 weeks, and I've given myself a deadline of when to be certified. So by January 15th or January 20th, by the end of January, I should be certified as a coach. So I just put the dates on when to complete my power leaps and when to be certified. To become a certified coach.
Yeah, exactly. And at each point in time, you also need to say what skills you need. If at any point of the leap you feel there are some skill sets you don't have, how do you think you can?
The skills. I think the skills are for me for the certification to become a certified African camp coach is like all the skills are in the program. So I'm learning as I go.
Okay.
So I don't feel like I need to find other skills other than what they're providing. So far I'm okay with it.
Okay.
The only thing was that was difficult for me is for me to set a realistic time for starting and finishing because of my work.
Yeah. Okay.
So I just put the time and I need to commit to it and just finish the coaching as I say. So despite my work, I just have to commit to the dates that I say. I think that's
okay. And you feel you can do this. It's something that's achievable for you because it needs to be realistic, right? You need to check the time. It needs to be real. You need to check the time, the extra time you have to put into this.
Yeah, it is realistic because I fix it with my working time. It's difficult. It's really difficult with my schedule. But then if I don't do this, then I will take a longer time. So I decided just to fix a specific day, and I think it makes me more motivated. I notice it makes me want to reach to have the days that the date that I said. So to finish my weeks, so that I can start doing the video. I think that putting that date makes me excited. Like I need to reach. It's not like just saying I want to do this. It's when you see the date, it challenges me. That I need. And when I'm not doing it, I feel like I'm lagging. So I want to reach my target. It's a good feeling actually.
Yeah. Okay. Good that you feel it's good. Anyway, and consistency is key.
It has actually motivated me a lot. Although I am a person who, what is the word? Procrastinates a lot. But for this one, because I put dates and I want to be certified at a certain time. I feel it's taking me out of that I can do tomorrow, no problem, because I have a lot of programs that I've started and I haven't finished because I'm busy. I'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah, procrastination is big.
It's taking me out of that to be committed to what I'm doing, not have reasons. It's work or whatever. So it's a good feeling.
Okay. So with these 5 power leaps, you feel you can see your outcome closer, right?
Definitely.
Okay, that's a good feeling, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that brings us to the end of Outcomes Plus.
It was an amazing. Actually, I haven't done. I always make goals, and to be honest, I never stick to my goals.
Okay.
So this is something that I feel has changed my my way of doing things.
Yeah.
Like it's a new year. I all make goals.
Yes.
I think it's gonna help me with my weight.
Yeah, your weight.
Because I
Yeah,
want to
it
put
was
the
part
dates
of
at
your.
the time.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really powerful, and to think that you can apply this to every area of your life.
Yes.
Every goal, every outcome you want, you now break it down so it doesn't feel overwhelming, because that's what's happening to a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
I think one of the main reasons why we're able to achieve our goals because we feel it's too hard.
Yeah.
But it's because it's too big, so we need to chunk it down and make them into small steps.
Yeah.
So it's powerful, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So I look forward to seeing you next week,
Yes.
where we are going to start another topic, and it's called Unleash You.
Okay.
And Unleash You is talks about the type of people you spend your time with, and putting all our baselines and your codes, your e-codes together, and all the things you've learned in the program. And then, but the most important thing is, they say birds of the same feather flock together. So if you don't have the right type of people around you, then obviously it's not going to work.
Yes.
Yeah, so we start that next week.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.